converting given equation into matrix. Solve. By the way, I'm odd. My birthday is odd number. So, I will use Jacobi method to solve the equation. So this would be, we are going to solve 3 minus 0.1 negative 0.1 negative 0.2, that would be the x1. Then 0.1 7 negative 0.3, that would be the x2. So 0.3 minus or negative 0.2 and 10, that would be the x3. So equals to, the x1 is 7.85, the x2 is negative 19.3, and the x3 is 71.4. So this would be our formula. So x1 7.85 plus 0.1 x2 plus 0.2 x3, then x2 negative 19.3 negative or minus 0.1 x1 plus 0.3 x3 over 7. So in x3, 71.4 negative or minus 0.3 x1 plus 0.2 x2 over 10. So have you seen here is the answer of iteration 1, iteration 2, and the iteration 3. So the iteration 1 in x1 is 2.617, and iteration 2 3, and iritation 3, the answer of x1 is 3. So in x2, the iritation 1 answer is negative 2.757, and iritation 2, negative 2.489, and negative 3, negative 2.499. And x3, iritation 1 answer is 714, and iritation 2, 7.006, and iritation 3 is 7. So the initially is x2 equals x3 equals 0. So here will be the solution of every to iritation 1, 2, 2, and 3. So iritation 1, 1 equals 1/3 or 1 over 3 times 7.85 plus 0.1 x2 plus 0.2 times 0.2 x3 equals 2.613. So that would be the answer in iritation. And x2, 1 over 7 times negative 19.3 minus 0.1 x1 to the power of 0 plus 0.3 times or x3 to the power of 0 equals negative 2.757. So, and x3, 1 over 10 times 71.4 minus 0.3 x1 to the power of 0 plus 0.2 x2 to the power of 0 equals to 714. So iritation 3. So x1 to the power of 2 equals 1/3 times 7.85 plus 0.1 times, plus 0.1 times negative 2.757 to negative 2.757 plus 0.2 times 7.14 equals to 3. So in x2 to the power of 2 equals 1. x2 to the power of 2 equals 1.7 or 1 over 7 times negative 19 plus 3 minus 0.1 times 1 to the power of 1 plus 0.3 times 3 to the power of 1 equals negative 2.489. So in x3 to the power of 2 equals 1 over 10 times 71.4 minus 0.3 x1 to the power of 1 plus 0.2 times 2 to the power of 1 is equals to 7.006. So in iteration 3, x1 to the power of 3 equals 1 to the power of 3 plus, times 7.85 plus 0.1 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 0.2 x3 to the power of 2 equals 3. So x2 to the power of 3 equals 1.77 equal times negative 19.3 minus 0.1 x1 to the power of 2 plus 0.3 times 3 to the power of 2 equals negative 2.499. So x3, so same formula. So the answer is 7. So as you can see here, this would be the graph or the table. So x1, x2, x3. So the relative, as the relative is error, so less than 2%. Have you seen here? x1 equals 0.31%, then x2 is equals to 0.0115, 0.015%, then the x3 equals 0.042 negative percent. So this would be the table. So the final answer here is x1 equals 3, x2 equals negative 2.5, then the x3 equals to 7. And that would be all.